Hey everyone, it's Colton from Flohr Pools. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Tylo Traditional sauna to the Tylo app. Right here we have a Halmstad too, but this process is the same for any Halmstad, hybrid, Lulea, or reflection unit. So first of all, you're going to go to the App Store, download the Tylo Sauna app. You're going to open that up. You're going to hit this plus button in the top right, and then go to Add Device. After that, I'm going to show you what to do on the touchscreen here. You'll see up top it's saying searching for nearby devices. Normally, it would not be showing this device here below it because I've already been connected to this sauna. It's showing it for me. But normally, you're going to go to the screen here, tap on the three dots, go to Network, Connect, and you're going to hold your thumb down on this thumbprint until it buzzes. Usually takes about 5 seconds. There it goes. This should pop up here for you, discovering devices. You're gonna click add. You're gonna put in your Wi-Fi password, and you're good to go. It's as simple as that. You should be seeing this screen here on your Tylo app if you wanna turn on the Bluetooth, turn on the lights, or preheat your sauna. This is Colton from Flohr Pools. Thanks.